Today is my birthday. How fitting. As a kid, I've told the story so many times, playing Street Fighter and looking at the art on the cartridges for a Super Nintendo and just drawing that, using that to entertain myself. Growing up in Nigeria, so the lights go out and so I can't actually play. I'm just looking at the pretty art, and that inspired me to pick up a pen and draw. We draw and then make comics despite all the chaos growing up in Nigeria, not being able to see a path forward to becoming a creator, much less one in this Japanese approach to making comics, manga. And then making it, having it be published in stores worldwide, unique partnership with Webtoon, completely skipped the part where we helped start a manga publishing company in Saturday AM. And then full circle, all of that comes together and we're in a fighting game. I, as well as the whole Saturday AM team and the game developers, Sun Studios, that we've partnered with, are hella excited for this game to drop. So you can play it, I can play it, we can all enjoy. Leave in the comments who you're going to main. But we actually made this game. This is honestly one of the coolest things the Saturday AM, us as a group, has ever done. And we did this, but you guys did this too. In fact, the main person in the gaming studio is a watcher of this channel and has been for a long time. They even have the super old version of Apple Black with all of its flaws and errors and stuff like that you can't find anywhere else. So this is how if I see somebody with this book, this version of the book, I know they're OG. So these are OG people. You guys bought the book, liked it enough, and it had enough of an impression to have them stick around and then see all of the other Saturday AM goodies, be talented themselves, and help put all of this together. The moral of the story is make good work, put it out there, and be consistent enough to take advantage of luck when it comes. That's literally how I've gotten most of the opportunities that I've been lucky to get. Just do it. Now I can say I'm a video game producer because it's not just the characters being licensed for the fighting game. I'm also playing a role behind the scenes, doing some drawing stuff, creating new assets, coming up with some of the moves that are going to be in place. Obviously, everybody's kind of putting a hand and contributing, people behind the scenes, which is also a cool experience to have. Raymond is doing a great job, the creator of Bullet Eater, and is a huge video game nerd, so his expertise is coming into play. He also thinks he's the best fighting game player, so when the game comes out, we're going to play. And you better win. That's all I'm going to say. But he's been great helping out with the UI. I've been doing some character move stuff. All the people, especially for their own characters, have been doing some character move stuff. Obviously, I know a lot of the things behind the scenes and what characters are actually going to be in the game. Everybody coming together and doing what's best for the game. Frederick as well, obviously CEO of Saturday AM, doing great work and also bringing his expertise as a former video game executive. The game developers are huge fighting game nerds. So this will be good in that Guilty Gear spirit, but as well as all the other good stuff that make a bunch of other fighting games good. And then adding our own unique touch to it that will help us stand out from the pack. And honestly, there's a lot more unannounced, so everybody lock in. There's stuff I can't announce. People who've read our books that you wouldn't believe and liked it. I'm talking even Japanese artists who've had some of the biggest anime in the last few years. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. What you should do is go wishlist on Steam. Let's see if we can get tens of thousands of wishlists for the game. Make an account if you must. All the links you could possibly need will be in the description. Support the game, please, as best as you can. As you guys always have, liking the videos, engaging with the video, doing all the YouTube stuff. The game will be on Steam, but then obviously the plan will be to move on to PlayStation, Nintendo, Xbox, and so on. Already announced, 2v2 player, netcode, online play, motion input so you can have fun with the combos, 14 playable characters to start, but leave in the comments the Saturday AM characters you think must be in the game. Knowing what I know, if there's groundswell, that would come in handy, especially the comments with the most likes or the characters that are the most mentioned. And honestly, not just Saturday AM characters. Put in any character in the comments that you think would kill in this game. From Japan, Korea, France, Webtoon, Shonen Jump, Kodansha, Shueisha, wherever. Things are a lot more possible than you think. I bet you didn't think this video game was going to happen anytime soon. Trust me. Just say whatever your heart desires in the comments. You'll see. Shoot, your character. Let's go all Fortnite in this beat. We can do it. Now, if you're new here, I'm Odunzio Google, aka Whyt Manga, the creator, writer, and illustrator of Apple Black, published and serialized in Saturday AM, where I am also co-founder. This game will consist of all of our characters in one, going ham, kind of like Smash Bros. If you want to catch up with the characters, you can do so by getting the manga volumes. Shout out to anybody who's purchased any of our volumes. Apple Black, Clock Striker, Soul Beat, Underground, Hammer, Henshin, Massively Multiplayer, World of Ghosts, the list goes on. If you don't know where to start, Saturday Wars is a good one because it's kind of like Infinity Wars where all our characters come together in one universe to fight You could say our Thanos. And it features a lot of our characters in there. And with our stuff, Paramount is telling good stories, but making sure it's authentic with creators from all over the world, making anime and manga even more diverse. What the Japanese do is authentic to them. It's why most of the characters are Japanese and all of that. But with Sad Day M, we want to make it even more global than it already is. The world's most diverse manga, with great stories as the reviews and awards suggest. Awards from Japan, featured in the Japanese Kyoto Manga Museum, all the cool stuff. Even an Apple Black light novel spin-off that also got an award. Tutorial books if you want to learn how to make manga and our philosophy on the subject. We do a lot of cool stuff. Books worldwide, translated into multiple languages. Apple Black's in Turkish. French translations are coming. Japanese as well, you just wait. You can also catch up through our other partners like Webtoon, where Apple Black is being published right now in color in that vertical scroll format. Or you can support my Patreon, and there are a lot of secret goodies on the Patreon, so go check that out. Every link is in the description. Just don't forget to wishlist on Steam. Tell everyone who likes fighting games. All the fighting game gurus and influencers, everybody, spam them. I don't care. Spam them. Spam everyone who would listen. We want to make indie fighting game of the year, if not fighting game of the year. The fact that this trailer drops on my birthday is crazy, so it's definitely a good birthday for me. Supporting this game, this channel, Sad Day M's YouTube channel, Sad Day M's social media, my social media, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, the Discord. Any support is greatly appreciated. And all the support I've gotten so far is the possibilities are endless. I can imagine going live playing the video game with my own characters against you guys live. That's crazy. With Sad Day M, we try to do big stuff and enter spaces that the big boys usually enter and breaking barriers, making it easier for those who come after us, whether anybody realizes it or not. Showing these things can be done and having people think outside the box even further. And I think our impact over the years is evident and we'll continue to fight for what we believe in. I hope the fighting game community opens their arms and enjoys the game. I can't wait. We're still a ways away, but enough to show you guys some really cool stuff like the trailer. And if you stay tuned and follow us, we'll also be dropping more and more updates. Like the voice actor for my character Sano in the video game, Alejandro Saab, and the voice actress for Cast in the video game. Professional voice actors that have voiced even characters that you guys love. Announcements from the voice acting auditions that we held. Now, just imagine, Holy Ghost Ripple, Holy Ghost Blood, Holy Ghost, girl, if you don't. I can't wait. Awards, sales, being in bookstores, translations, toys, and now this. Stay tuned for what's next. Those who doubt will do their thing. Just keep winning. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you. Don't forget to like and Holy Ghost smash the subscribe button. Hit the bell so you stay notified each time I upload absolutely anything. Turn on all notifications. A great way to learn about Apple Black is to watch the playlist that breaks down what my series is about, easing you into my world and what to expect. It's Whyt Manga, and I'm Audi 9000.